Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for TopStepX Error Status Code 404. The error reads Request failed with status code. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to activate their Express, but the request fails to process. According to our research, the error is likely caused by temporary glitches in the browser, network-related issues, or problems with the payment method being used. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close your browser completely and then reopen it. Then go back to TopStepX and try activating your Express again. If the error still comes, restart your device along with your network. Then power them off, then wait a few seconds and then turn them back on. After restarting, try the activation again. Then check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, then try using a different credit card for the activation. Simply enter the new payment details and attempt the process again. Then check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.